Do you want to speak English in the kitchen? Today, Mark, Anna, and Mom are cooking dinner together, and you'll learn the most useful kitchen phrases. Watch until the end and repeat with us. Let's cook.
Welcome to the kitchen.
Wow! What are we cooking today, Mom?
Yes, what's for dinner?
We are making spaghetti and salad.
Yummy! I love spaghetti.
And I love salad.
Let's wash our hands first.
Repeat with me. Kitchen. Spaghetti. Salad. Wash your hands.
Anna, can you cut the tomatoes?
Yes, I can cut the tomatoes.
Mark, can you wash the lettuce?
Yes, I can wash the lettuce.
Mom, where is the knife?
The knife is in the drawer.
Where is the bowl?
The bowl is on the table.
Repeat these words. Cut. Wash. Knife. Bowl. Drawer. Table.
Now we cook the spaghetti.
How many minutes, Mom?
We cook it for 10 minutes.
Is the water hot?
Yes, the water is boiling. Be careful.
Can I stir the spaghetti?
Yes, you can stir it gently.
Repeat with me. Cook. Boil. Stir. Water. Be careful. 10 minutes.
I put the lettuce in the bowl.
I add the tomatoes.
Now we add olive oil and salt.
I like salad with lemon.
Okay, add some lemon juice.
Repeat with me. Lettuce. Tomatoes. Olive oil. Salt. Lemon juice. Add.
I will set the table.
I will get the plates and forks.
Good job. Don't forget the napkins.
Where are the glasses?
They are in the cupboard.
We are ready to eat.
Repeat these words. Table. Plates. Forks. Napkins. Glasses. Cupboard.
Dinner is ready.
This is delicious.
Yes, it tastes so good.
Good job, team.
Thank you, Mom. I love cooking with you.
Me too. Let's cook again soon.
Repeat these words. Dinner is ready. Delicious. Taste good. Cook again.
Now let's clean up.
I will take the plates.
I will throw away the trash.
Thank you. Let's keep the kitchen clean.
Repeat after me. Clean up. Take the plates. Throw away. Keep the kitchen clean.
Time to wash the dishes.
I will rinse the plates.
And I will dry them.
Great teamwork.
Repeat after me. Wash the dishes. Rinse. Dry. Teamwork. Today you learned these kitchen phrases. Wash your hands. Cut the tomatoes. Where is the knife? Boil the water. Stir gently. Set the table. Dinner is ready. Clean up the table. Wash the dishes. Great job! Now you can cook in English. Now you can cook in English. What phrase did you learn today? Write it in the comments. Like this video if you love cooking. Subscribe to Naya English channel for more fun English dialogues. See you next time in the kitchen. Bye-bye.